This video, I will show you how to create an attractive storybook for kids by using AI. You can sell your book on Amazon KDP or Etsy. Go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Write a short story for 6 to 8 years age group, must include a little girl, forest and forest animals. Here you can see ChatGPT has generated a complete story for you. Now ask ChatGPT to divide the story into 12 parts. And here ChatGPT has divided your story into 12 parts. Again, ask ChatGPT to write image prompts for each part. And here you can see ChatGPT has generated 12 different prompts for each part. Let's generate images. You can use these free tools to generate images, but I am using Canva AI. Simply copy first prompt and paste on Canva AI. Now click on Create an image and select the style. I am choosing illustration. Then choose the size of your shape. I am choosing square shape. Click on Generate. Here you can see Canva AI has generated 4 different and attractive images. Let's download this design. You can also boost the resolution of your image and download. As I want to keep the character same throughout the story, so I will reuse this prompt. And I will keep the words that describe girl's personality. Now again go to ChatGPT and copy second prompt. Paste this prompt below the first prompt and click on Generate. Here you can see this character looks quite similar to the one in the first image. I am choosing this image. Now I will create remaining images by giving prompts. Again go to Canva's homepage and search for Storybook. I'm gonna choose this free template. Now go to Uploads and upload all the images that you have just generated. Let's design cover page of this storybook. Select this image. Right click on this image. Set image as background. Now go to text box. Adjust this text and write the title of the story. Now I am changing the font style. I am choosing Sweet Dreams. Let's increase the font size so it looks more attractive. Now click on these 3 dots, capitalize and go to Effects, scroll down, select this. Now again scroll down and change the shape. Now slightly reduce the roundness. Here you can see cover page of the storybook is ready. Let's design the first page of the storybook. Go to Elements and search here Forest Background. Go to Graphics section. I'm choosing this image. Right click on this image, set as background. Now click on these three dots and reduce the transparency. Now change the background color. It's quite dark. Let's reduce the darkness. Again, go to Elements and search for Cloud Frame. Select this. Adjust it in the right corner. Slightly increase the size. Now go to Uploads and select the image and adjust this image within the frame. Now go to text box and change the font color and copy the first part of the story. And paste here. Slightly adjust this text. Now go to Fonts and change the font style. I'm choosing this. Bold it and slightly increase the size. Adjust this text. And slightly increase the size. First page of this storybook is ready. Let's design another page. Go to first page, right click and copy the background. Now again go to second page, right click and paste here. Here you can see background has been added. Go to Elements and search for blob frame. Go to Frames. I'm choosing this. Now go to Uploads and choose this image. Adjust this image in the frame. Then go to text box and adjust the text box. Change the font color. Copy the second part of the story and simply paste here. Now again adjust this text. Go to Fonts, change font style and increase the font size as well and bold. Again click on three dots and adjust the text. Second page of the storybook is also ready. Once you have designed all the pages of your storybook, preview your book and check the order of all the pages. Then go to Share option. Click on these three dots Scroll down and click on Hazy in Flipbook. Select all images. Done. Save this. This will convert your book into a flipbook. Your design is ready. Let's view it. Here you can see the storybook is converted into a flipbook. You can also download this flipbook and share online. You can also sell this storybook on Amazon, KDP and Etsy.